How to allow friends to join your private server in Roblox. So if you want to allow friends to join your private server in your Roblox, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go and open up your Roblox application, or you can go with the browser. And once you're here, you just need to simply go where you have your private server. I'll just simply choose an example one. And once you're under your private server, here you just need to simply go with servers, which is on the right side. And once you tap on servers, you will have the servers list, right? So under your servers list on the upper right side, you'll have a three dots option. You just need to simply go with the three dots and you will have configure option. You just need to simply tap on configure. Now under configure, you will have friends allowed section. On the right side of it, you will have a toggle on or off button. So if you toggle on the option of friends allowed, then you will be able to allow your friends to join your private server in your Roblox. But if it is turned off, then you will not be able to allow your friends. So if you have your private server link, you can share with them and you will be able to allow the friends to join your private server. So that's how you can allow, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.